Start by drilling drainage holes into the bottom of your vintage tins using a drill bit and drill. Then fill up the bottom of your vintage tins about halfway with soil. I just used a measuring cup to do this, and then take your plants out one by one and put them into the vintage tin. Once your plants are situated, add some extra soil around the edges and in the middle to make sure they are sturdy and have enough soil to fill up the vintage tin. I purchase my plants at various stores, but usually I try to look at Walmart, Meijer, Lowe's, and then we have a vintage store around here that sells plants for cheap individual plants in plastic pots. Most of these plants cost around $3 to $5 a piece, so for each of my vintage tin it is costing me about $5 to finish them, and to buy them in a store I would be spending around $15 to $25. For this project, I chose an assortment of succulents and then regular indoor plants, such as this pothos here. I displayed my vintage tin planters right next to a window because being mostly succulents, they are going to need ample amount of sunlight. For vintage lovers, such as myself, this is such a cute way to display your pots and such an easy way to make planters so that you don't have to buy them at the store. To see more of my DIY crafts and vintage decor, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then you can find me on Instagram or Facebook by searching 2 Paws Farmhouse.